Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a VPC subnet routing table. Within that, we will create a Windows machine and we will do the patching work and let going to see how internet going to flow to the private subnet so that our database server will get the internet. We are going to see everything in the console itself. It is the small demo. If you are learning some basics about VPC, this video will be useful for you. I am going to create VPC. I already logged in with my console and now I am going to create a VPC only. I am giving name as my VPC, the CIDR block range as 10.0.0.16. So here I am going to choose no IPv6 CIDR block. So tenancy you can choose default or dedicated. If you choose dedicated, it is more secure. Right now I'm going to choose default, just create VPC. So our VPC got created. You can see my VPC, it is got created 10.0.0.0/16. Next we are going to create subnet. Create subnet. I'm choosing my VPC block and this is public subnet and I'm choosing my availability zone and this is my CIDR block range for public subnet. Create. So my public subnet got created. Next I'm going to create private subnet. My VPC private subnet. I'm choosing different availability zone and this is my CIDR block range. So right now I have created public subnet and private subnet. Next I'm going to create a routing table. Create routing table, public routing table and my VPC create routing table. Public routing table created. Next, private routing table, my VPC create routing table. Now we have created public routing table and private routing table. Now we are going to associate. So click public routing table, subnet association, edit subnet association. In that click public subnet, save associate. You can check public routing table. In that subnet association, you can see it is associated with subnet. Same like we are going to do for private routing table. So we have completed association. Next, we are going to create internet gateway. Create internet gateway. So I am naming as IGW. Create internet gateway. We have to attach this internet gateway to our VPC. So click attach VPC. This is our VPC. Add it and now it got associated with our VPC. Internet gateway is associated. You can see it's mentioned as attached. This is a default internet gateway. This is our internet gateway which is attached right now. Next, we are going to add in the routing table. We need to edit the routing table. So click public routing table. In that routes, go to edit route. In that add route, allow all, and in that you need to choose your internet gateway. This is our internet gateway. Save changes. You can check in the route. Our internet gateway is added. We need to create our servers so that we can place in our public subnet as well as the private subnet. So we are going to create two servers. One server we are going to place in the public subnet, which is our web server. Second one we are going to create a database server. That one we are going to create in the private subnet. Now